चुन्नू मुन्नू थे दो भाई, रसगुल्ले पे हुई लड़ाई। चुन्नू बोला मैं खाऊंगा, मुन्नू बोला मैं खाऊंगा। झगड़ा सुन के मम्मी आई, दोनों को एक झपट लगाई। This kind of situation, generally brothers siblings, they'll be fighting, right? So what happened, this kind of situation has arisen in Kailash, Mount Kailash. What happened all the day was Ganas, everybody was there in Shivji's Kailash. There was meeting going on, meeting to decide the leader of Devas and Ganas. So our Kartikeya was very fast and his Vahan was peacock. Peacock is also very fast. It can fly actually. And all are thinking of Kartikeya to be their leader. But see here our Ganesh is having Vahana's mouse. It's not that fast. And our Ganesh is also heavy personality. He can't go fast. So that's why they want Kartikeya to be their leader. So the same thing they have suggested to Shivji. At that time, our Ganesha, he listens and he observes everything. But he also want to become leader. He want to become a leader of Devas and Ganas. Children, you know who are Ganas? Ganas means, see, we are having army. You know army, right? Army means they are the people who protect us from the enemies. In the same way, in the Mount Kailash also, the Kailash people also, they are like Shivji and Parvati. They were having army, that is Ganas. They wanted leader. So our Ganesh ji wanted to be leader. So what he does, he goes to father and mother. He does pranam. He requests his father and mother, Mama and Papa, why don't you give me chance? Even I want to prove myself. So kindly give me chance. Like that he prays and asks. When two children are fighting for the same thing, or when the two children they want the same thing, we have to, mother and father, it's a very big task for them and they have to find out the way whom to give this. Yes, so what they have done, they have kept one competition between the Ganesha and Kartikeya. Whoever wins the competition, they are going to be the leader of Devas. So that was the task is like this. They have to take production. You know, production means what, children? They have to take a round of earth. They have to take pradakshina of earth thrice. That is 3 times they have to take the pradakshinas. Not only that, while rotating, while moving around, if they find any river they find, they have to take block, 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 block. 3 dips in the river they come across. They have to take 3 dips in the river they come across. Every river they have to go. So that was a competition. Ready, steady, 1, 2, 3, start. The time started now. The Kartikeya has taken flight. He was sitting on the peacock and he was going the very fast pace he was going. And whereas our Ganesha on the most like that he was going. He was relatively very slow. So where the Kartikeya was landing near the river, he went to the river. He took the dip, block, 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 block. He took 3 dips and he was taking flight. At that time, after taking flight, our Ganesha's Mushika slowly it's landing. So Kartika is very fast. It happened like that 2 or 3 times. Wherever the Ganesha is reaching, there already Kartikeya has taken dip in the river and he started moving to other river. It was happening like that. After first river, after second or third river, Ganesha has become very sad and quiet because he's not able to do. He was a little sad and he was dull actually at that time. You know what happened? Narayana, 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 Narayana. Narada has come. Narada came and he observed. Ganesha was little upset. Narayana, Narayana. Are Ganesh ji, what happened? Why are you so upset? Why don't you tell me? If I know, I can tell you any solution. Come on, tell me what is the matter. Like that, Narayana, Narayana as the Ganesha. Ganesha tells everything. He discloses everything to Narada. Then Narada having one solution for this. You know what it is? Narada told, Are Ganeshji, why are you worrying for it? See, you are a small boy, right? From whom you have learned all the knowledge, from you whom you have learned all the things. From my mama and papa I have learned so many things. Then who is your world? World means what for you? My mama and papa only are the world for me. Yes, your mama and papa are the world for you. For children, for every child, mama and papa are only the world. So your father has told to take protection of the world, right? So you can take the protection of your mother and papa who are your world. The solution is here, he says. He says and he goes away. Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Like that he goes away. After that, our Ganesha, he goes back to Kailash and he tells Mama and Papa, he asks the permission, Mama and Papa, can I take pradakshina of you both 3 times? What is the logic behind it, my dear son? Shivji asks. Then he says that, see Papa, my world is you and Mama. You both are my world. You have told to take round of the world 3 times. So if I take round pradakshina of you both 3 times, that means I have taken the pradakshina of world 3 times. So I would like to do that. So everybody in that place in the meeting, whoever is listening to this matter, they were very happy and they were very impressed by the wisdom and talent of the Ganesha and the respect he's having towards his parents. And he takes the 3 pradakshinas of Mama and Papa. He goes and sits in his place. You know the miracle what happened? Wherever our Kartikeya is going to take dip in the river, he is seeing that Ganesha already has taken the dip and he is coming back. But where is Ganesha? Ganesha is in Kailash, right? But he is able to see Ganesha near the river as if he has already taken the dip and he is going back. So this was the miracle. That means, children, we need to respect our parents. Our parents means our world. So our God and goddesses are our parents. If we are having their blessings, we can do anything. From that, after taking 3 rounds, Kartikeya comes back to Kailash. He was surprised to see Ganesha there. Already he has taken the dips. He took around the dakshinas of the world and he came and he sat there. He was thinking like that because he saw everywhere Ganesha. So he goes to father and he says, Father, I am very sorry. I thought Ganesha is very heavy and his Vahan is Mushik. So he can't accomplish this task. That's what I felt. Shivji, Papa, Sorry, I feel Brother Ganesha is only eligible for this Ganadipati. So please make him as Ganadipati. He agrees and he leaves that post. He begs his father to make Ganesha, and he feels that Ganesha is eligible. And all the Ganas and Devas, they were very happy. They've accepted Ganesh as Ganadipati. From that time onwards, we are praying, like whatever we start, whatever the work we start, first we pray Ganesha. That is Ganadipati. From then onwards, our Ganesha has become Ganadipati. Okay, children?